Quickly, I don't want to waste your time, right? I'm going to be talking about multiple time frame analysis in this video. Multiple time frame analysis. Each time frame has their own uses. And if you are new to trading, you might not know this, right? But if you have been trading for a while, you might know this. Now, quickly, we have the first time frame is used to look for the general trend, and the next time frame is used to look for general trend and major key levels, right? Major key levels, just add this to it. The second time frame is used to look for minor key levels. The next time frame is used to look for the immediate trend, immediate trend, and the last time frame is used to look for the entry method. That's depending on the entry method you look for. And now I'm going to be going to my computer and showing you how I do this, right? Well, I'm a swing trader, and you must understand that it differs depending on the type of trader you are. I use the monthly time frame for this, the weekly for this, the daily for this, and the 4 hours for this. So let me take you to my chart and show you how I do it. Let's go. Hello, so what is good, guys? Quickly, I don't want to waste your time. This is USDJPY, and as you can see, this is a plain chart, right? I'm going to be walking you through this step by step, how to use each time frame for different analysis, right? Now, these are like mainly for my swing traders, and for those of you that are also day traders, you might want to see copy some kind of one or two from here, right? Now, this is what I do. Simple. This is USDJPY, and what I do simple. It is simply to map out my major level and to know the overall flow of the market. The overall flow of this market obviously is going up, right? So let me turn this to black. It is going up, as you can see, it is going up. And if I'm to check for the major level, we have our major levels at this point here. There's a major level at this point. Yeah, there's a major level at this point here. And there is another major level, right? At this point at the bottom. So let me raise this up a little bit. Yeah, there's a major level here, and there is a major level at this point. So there's a major level at this point. So there is another major level. For those of you that don't know how to map out your key level, that's your major key levels, right? You might want to reach out to me using the link in the description for a one-on-one training, right? So now for those of you that already know what I'm doing, so this is it simple, right? This is our overall trend, right? This is our overall trend, and this is our major level on this time frame. So there are other major levels. See, if I'm to scroll like this, you see a lot of other levels, right? But I don't want to start mapping. This is not like this is not a full guide on how to map out major levels, right? I'm just showing you the importance of each time frame. So since I've been able to like map out this particular level, all these levels, so I'll go to my weekly to map out our minor levels, right? Now you can now see that our minor levels are not very, very clear on the this level here. So now minor levels, they are simply levels that if price break, they are going to the next major level, which is this point here. So if price breaks this level, it's coming to this particular point. But if it fails to break this level, the next level target is somewhere here, right? And now see, we have another level at this particular point here. This is another minor level here. So there's a minor level at this point. You can see first touch, second touch. There's even a touch at this point. So these are the current minor levels. So there are other minor levels at all these points here, right? There are other minor levels here, but let's leave that for now. Let's now go to the daily. Now you see the importance of each time frame, right? Now let's now go to the daily. The daily is to simply look for the immediate trend. What is the immediate trend? Like, where is this market currently going to, right? It is more of down, as you can see. It's going down, right? This is the immediate trend, which is against the overall trend. This is against the overall trend. So this is against the overall trend. If I'm to draw like this, you see that there are like this touch here, move, kind of a fake breaker, then move, touch, then move, and then a move. So if this thing push to the upper side like this and fails to break this counter trend, the next move will be like something like this, right? Something like this to the downside. So I might be looking forward to even sell the market. But this is the immediate trend. But if you see something like a push above, right, and then come to retest and continue going up, it's already going up. Do you understand? So this is for this particular market. Now you might want to go to now for the 4 hours, right? I've done for the monthly, the general trend, the weekly, minor key levels, daily is simply to map out our immediate trend. Now, since we have mapped out our immediate trend, this is now our focus, right? This is now our focus. This immediate trend is our focus. So what we'll do on the 4 hours is simple. The way I trade that's for my entry is simply to look for like pullbacks, right, at key levels or at key levels on the 4 hours time frame. Do you understand? So this is a key level on the 4 hours time frame. This point here is a key level on the 4 hours time frame, right? So around this point is a key level, right? So around this point, I'm looking forward to like that's if market gets to this point here. If market gets to this point, around this point, I might be looking forward to sell the market, right? So the other things I'll still use to know as well as Fibonacci retracement and to drag like this. Now it's already at the 50% retracement, so market might start selling around here. But if you start seeing a push to around this point here, market might start still pushing, right? The market might right, get to this point. The highest point it might mostly get to is this point here because of this level here and also this particular level. Probably you want to come to this trend line or probably like a fake breakout and then to the downside. But let's see what the market is going to do. I'll let you guys know in my coming videos, right? So these are the importance of each time frame, and you must also understand that for the day traders it is different, right? The day traders most times do their overall trend on the 4 hours, right? For this now, if I wanted to day trade, it would have been very easy, right? The immediate trend, very simple, is an upward trend for day traders. The reason is because this already is a trend. Do you understand? This already is a trend. This already like this is a trend. Do you understand? For day traders, this already is a trend and it's going to the upper side. So day traders will be buying to the upper side. Do you get? But if you check the overall trend of this market, that's for day traders, might most likely be a downtrend. Do you understand? And this is just like counter upward trend to the upper side. So they'll be buying the market probably to around this point, and then when the market starts selling, they'll start selling the market down, right? But me, I'm a swing trader. I'm simply going to wait until this market gets to this my zone, and then from this point, the entry give me will not determine if I'm going to enter the market or not. Do you understand? So guys, without wasting much of your time, I'm done with this video. And please, if you enjoyed this video, please like the video, drop a comment. What do you think is going to happen on USDJPY as well, right? What do you think? Drop your insights, right? So that also we are all learning here. And for those of you that are completely new, right? You are completely new, or you have been trading before, you are still not profitable. My name is Trader Chris, been trading Forex for 4 years plus, and I am a profitable Forex trader. I document my trade here on YouTube and also on my Telegram community, right? You can reach out to me using the link below for a one-on-one online training. That is if you want to, right? For those of you that are new or you are not profitable, you are struggling, you are seeing all the moves on Instagram and all the moves on Facebook, but you are trying to understand what is happening on this market, but you are not getting the market, right? So I'm willing to help you. Use the link now and I'll be willing to help. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now, guys.